So yesterday we done a bit of a workshop here, and we split off all into groups, and Kimmy was quite kind to leave us with some homework. She got sick. Pulled out a few of these.
Wow.
So on them it had what is tikanga to us. And so we wrote down what tikanga meant to us in the values. So we do things like being one, mana whenu, responsibility, respect, respecting one another, mana whānau, community, doing the right thing by others, by ourselves. Ko tahi, te kuro o te ngira, the free, I'm taking that in the black, red and white, going through the eye of the needle. Yeah, you need it.
You can delegate.
Me daughter took off. I'll give you a hand. Yeah, and then there were other ones like what is Saruman to us.
What is Saruman to us? It's support.
Unconditional love. And things are near love. Intimacy. There's not intimacy after 9 o'clock. Intimacy just within relationships with our kids. Togetherness, respect, reflection. You know, love is love. And
whanau, responsibilities. So tukoing the whanau kids. And loving being together as one.
Interaction, just interacting with your family.
This is another one we're working on yesterday as well. What is tamariki to us? And to us, it's guarding our wairus, teaching our young ones, teaching them the right way of going about things instead of, taking the wrong way. So, in other words, trying to, present a positive and positive sort of path.
Awesome.
Standing as one, giving, togetherness, guidance, guiding our young ones to, putting them through school and stuff.
Development to positive changes in the community.
Awesome.
Support, growth, and to uphold teachings of our ancestors to serve others.
Another one goes to whanau, which what is kōrero awhi to us, and it was supporting the kaupapa, positive kōrero, passing down knowledge to the kids and new kids, inspiring and talking to tamariki about anything and everything, uplifting them, encouragement, to inspire them, support each other. And that's what we're doing here, whanau, supporting each other.
Awesome. Criticism, like helping, not being scared to actually say something's wrong in the house, but also we need to support. You see?
Awesome.
So that's where some of the things that can be left us behind and our homework, so to speak. that was pretty much all of it.
More like your life.
But we enjoyed it anyway. We enjoyed it. It brought us all together as one, as a family, and yeah.
Awesome.
So it doesn't end
Too
here.
much.
It's only a stepping stone.
Massive.
Like, it's the start of the beginning. So yeah, no. Kia ora.
Did you just want to share what you talked to me about?
For myself, we stand up and speak in front of groups of people. So it was awesomeness to bring out that in me. So,
Too much, bro. Too much.